What's up, everybody? We're back with another episode of Wake Up with Wops. I did get stopped out of a stock and some crypto coins, so just a quick update on that. Market's pulling back. You can see here Bitcoin is breaking that 50 SMA at 115. We're going to go lower. We have some support here at 111, 112. I think we might reach that 111 and then continue finding support there and a little relief bounce. We'll keep an eye on that. Ethereum as well, going down to the 20 SMA where I have this white line around 4,000. I think that's a good spot to find support and then continue going up for Ethereum. So in the case of that, alts are pulling back because the majors are pulling back. I got stopped out of Aave. You can see here, I entered around here around 300 and I got stopped out at 278. It's all good. I have my risk reward already out. I saw that the pattern was breaking, but I kept holding it, thinking that maybe we will bounce off one of these moving averages. That did not happen, but we're going to continue watching. We like Aave in the channel. We also got stopped out of Uni. I really like Uni because it's a cup and handle. We've talked about it before. It's getting out of this long-term range. So if we find support here, I got stopped out right there where it's looking like it's finding support around 10.1. If we find support there and we keep going up, I would look to re-enter Uniswap as an Ethereum beta. So still keeping an eye on that. Oh, and then Tau. That's another. This was on spot, so I traded this on Coinbase. You can see here I have this line. It broke that white line. No longer liking the formation or the pattern. Moving averages are starting to curl down the 90 MA and the 20 SMA. So I don't like it anymore. I sold it. I still like AI in general as a sector. So I'm gonna keep my eye out on Tau. If we find some support or BitTensor, I'll get into BitTensor Tau. On the stock side, let's see. I'm almost getting stopped out of VST. We're finding support right now at the 50 SMA at 192. So as long as we find support there and we continue going up, we're looking good. But I'm close to getting stopped out for that. I got stopped out at AMD. Remember I talked about taking some profits. I took half off on this day when it was up around 8-10%. Now we came back and I had my stop loss at the entry price. So I did get stopped out. But you know we love AMD in the channel. Hopefully we could get a deeper pullback to the 50 SMA and then I could enter maybe around 152. We'll continue looking. If not, we find support, consolidate, and then we continue back into this trade. I love AMD and semiconductors are hot. And that's an update, guys, on the portfolio. Everything else is looking okay. I'm still holding ENA. I have my entry around 47 cents. So that's all the way down here. So I don't think it goes down. And if it goes down that much, we will find support here around 51 cents. And then I'll keep my eye on that. It's a free trade in profits. I'm going to continue holding for the long term for ENA. And Doge, right at entry level, you can see here. But we have some support at the 50 SMA, that yellow line. Hopefully we keep that support. If anything, dip a little bit more and then continue going higher. I have my stop here around 18 cents. So as long as we don't go that low, we're good with Doge. And that's it, guys. Crypto update, swing play update. I'll keep you posted when we look at the market. Let's look at the SPY real quick. Looking like we're pulling back to the 9 EMA. Not too bad. Healthy pullback in the index. Let's look at the QQQ. A lot of big techs are down, so that's why it's a little bit deeper of a pullback. You can see here a lot of big techs like Amazon, Meta, all those are down at the moment.